3. Side hustles to start in 2026. High income potential. What if I told you that one side hustle you start today could replace your full-time income by 2026? Technology, AI, and remote work are changing how money is made, and the people who understand this early are the ones winning. In today's video, I'll break down the top 3 side hustles to start in 2026, explain exactly how they work, how to start step by step, and how much money you can realistically make from each. No hype, no scams, just real opportunities. If you want financial freedom in the next few years, watch this till the end. Side hustle number 1, AI automation agency, AAA. What is it? An AI automation agency helps businesses automate repetitive tasks using AI tools. Think about things like customer support chatbots, AI appointment booking, automated email follow-ups, CRM automation, lead qualification using AI. In 2026, every small and medium business will need AI, but most owners won't know how to set it up. That's where you come in. How it works you. Find a business with inefficiencies. Set up AI tools that save them time or money. Charge a monthly retainer. You don't need to code. Most agencies use tools like chatbot builders, workflow automation tools, AI CRM systems, no-code platforms. How to start, step by step. Learn basic AI automation tools, 2-4 weeks. Pick a niche, real estate, clinics, restaurants, law firms. Build 1-2 demo automations. Reach out to local or online businesses. Offer a free audit. Upsell automation income potential. Starter clients, $500 up to $500 per month. 10 clients, $5,000 up to $15,000 per month. 30 clients, $15,000 up to $45,000 per month. Annual potential by 2026, $60,000 up to $300,000 plus per month. This side hustle has low startup cost and high scalability. Side hustle number 2, Faceless YouTube channel, AI powered. What is it? A faceless YouTube channel uses AI voiceovers, stock or AI-generated visuals, script automation. You never show your face, but you still earn from ads, affiliates, and sponsorships. Popular niches in 2026, AI and tech news, finance and investing, luxury facts, motivation, crime documentaries, how it works. You pick a high RPM niche. Use AI to generate scripts. Use AI voices and visuals. Upload consistently. Monetize after growth. How to start. Choose one niche only. Post 2-3 videos per week. Optimize titles and thumbnails. Monetize with ads, plus affiliate links. Reinforce content with shorts. Consistency is the secret. Income potential small channel, 10K subs. $500 $2,000 or month medium channel. 100K subs. $3,000 $15,000 or month large channel, 500K plus. 20,000 pop month annual potential by 2026. $10,000 up to $250,000 plus dollars. Once built, this becomes semi-passive income. Side hustle. Number 3, high-ticket digital services, AI plus freelancing. What is it? Instead of selling your time cheaply, you offer high-ticket digital services enhanced by AI. Examples: AI-assisted web design, branding and logo design, video editing and ads, social media automation, funnel and landing page creation. AI allows one person to do the work of 5. How it works you. Choose one service. Use AI to deliver faster, target high-paying clients. Charge premium prices. This is skill-based, but skills can be learned fast. How to start. Pick one service. Learn AI tools related to it. Create 3 and 5 portfolio samples. Reach out via LinkedIn, Instagram, or email. Offer value-based pricing, income potential entry level, $1,000 up to $3,000 per month. Intermediate, $5,000 up to $10,000 per month. Advanced freelancers, $15,000 up to $30,000 per month. Annual potential by 2026, $50,000 up to $350,000 plus dollars. This side hustle can easily turn into a full agency. Final comparison. AI automation agency. Medium skill, very high scalability, $5 signs. Faceless YouTube, low to medium skill, high scalability, $4 signs. High ticket services, medium skill, high scalability, $5 signs. If you're starting with zero money, go with Faceless YouTube. If you want fast cash, choose high-ticket digital services. If you want long-term wealth, AI automation agency is the king. Comment below which side hustle you're starting in 2026. Like the video if it helped you. Subscribe for more future-proof income ideas. Your future self will thank you.